seconds. Laura Theiss, this is really exceptional. I'm gonna jump in here because actually there's something very exceptional about this collection. Laura, would you be so kind to tell me about this collection more in depth?
Hello. So this collection is inspired by space and satellites. I recycled materials from satellites, like the foils and even the real gold out of the satellite antennas. And I was working with European companies, Italian, German companies, and also Romanian on this project, and European Space Agency. So why is so important to recycle satellite materials? Well, imagine we humans, we send 3,000 objects to space every year, and there are 40,000 pieces flying in space as space rubbish. So if we don't recycle satellite materials very soon, we will have a big problem. So, and once humans will reach the moon, also Emirate astronauts, everyone on the moon will recycle space materials and satellites. So maybe we will bring the satellites on Earth and we recycle it on Earth. So imagine maybe your next dress or your next jacket is still flying in space.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, what a great initiative, Laura, and what a smart way of creating a collection with this. This is absolutely beyond what we can imagine. We thank you for that, and we thank you for being here with us. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it again for Laura Theiss. Thank you so much.